Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl OQ. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to tie the Nigerian Gele I did on my previous video. If you are new in here for the first time, consider subscribing. So we'll be transforming this lovely model from this to this, and if you want to see how I got this look or how I got this tie, keep watching.
More music, uploaded at
Is Sego tie. So I'm just looking for this. Place it on the model's head. So I'll just place the tie on the model's head and try to form my pleats. See, I'm putting on her head, making sure it's flat. Then I'm not trying to form as plenty pleats, as many as possible. I'll form many, say like 4 or 5. Then I'll make sure each of them is not overlapping anyone, like each of them are standing on its own. So I'm just trying to arrange the pleats. Then I will tell the model to help me hold the part I've already arranged, so I can arrange the other side. See what I'm doing? So after making sure every edges is well arranged, I'm not trying to add more pleats. I'm forming another plate at the end of where I stopped. Okay, see what I'm doing? Forming another plate. I'm just arranging it. Just arranging it. So now, as it's been arranged, I'll not take it to the back. I'll use the longer aspect of the tie to go underneath the tie that is not that long. The shorter one will go up, the longer one will go underneath. So I'll just pull the two of them and ask the model to help me hold the shorter one. So now, from the longer aspect of the tie, I'll try and form one more extra pleat and carry it to overlap the pleats where I stopped at the back. Then I'll take it straight to the back. Just watch what I'm doing. So I'll take this now to the middle of her neck at the back. So now I've gotten there. Now I'll not take the middle of the end of the tie, so I can tie the two edges together. The other aspect of the tie, which I asked the model to hold for me, I'll pick that one and use it to tie the end of the longer part. Then I'll tie carefully because I don't want to hurt the model. Just tie properly to make sure it's firm. So now to the front, I just try to pull out the excess aspect of the tie to make sure I have more room for more pleats. So now I'm just trying to form my pleats from the middle of the tie. See the way I'm actually forming my pleats. The pleat is actually the beauty of the tie, and that is where the work lies. I just keep arranging the pleats one after the other and making sure it doesn't overlap anyone. Like each plate is standing on its own, it's not overlapping or hiding any other plate. If you don't understand anything, you can as well see my other tie tutorials, and you can put your question in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you all. Please like and subscribe. So I'm just trying to arrange, and this is just the basics about a tie. You just have to be calm and patient. So now to the back, I'll just fold the excess aspect of the tie, like I'll squeeze it and use a pin to hold it to make sure it's firm. Then I'll just pin it down. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, and hoping to see you all in my next one. Bye.